Housing advocates are asking for help after releasing the findings in their first ever 4-county Western Massachusetts housing study.
22 News reporter Sarah May joining us live in studio to break down the results from the study, Building Homes, Building Futures.
That's right, Nick and Ciara. Building Homes, Building Futures is a study that answers those questions about the housing demand, needs, and impact. The housing crisis in Western Massachusetts is not based on demographics, but rather different needs.
One family needs a lot of bedrooms because they have a lot of children. Another one needs one that's accessible because they have someone in their household who has a disability. Another one needs one that's affordable at a lower rate because their incomes are low.
To better understand the region's housing market conditions, wayfinders at the UMass Donahue Institute spent years on their first ever housing study to cover Berkshire, Franklin, Hampshire, and Hampden counties. The results were released on Wednesday.
We have similar rates of cost burden in terms of people spending more than 30% of their income on housing in the region. We're seeing rising rents. We're seeing increasing cost of homeownership.
In order for Western Massachusetts to meet the current demand, the study shows that there needs to be 23,000 new housing units.
That's 23,000 units that if we build them will create tremendous economic opportunity and will lead to just a huge impact on the families in creating greater choice, greater affordability, and greater access.
Wayfinders is now calling on organizations, cities, towns, the state, federal resources, and residents to get informed.
It's going to come up at town meeting. It's going to come up before your city council. You might even have to vote on a state referendum about some of these housing topics.
And to learn about the housing needs in your community, we've posted a link to Wayfinder's online dashboard on our website, wwlp.com. Working for you, Sarah May, 22 News.